So before I came to you guys, like originally, if you go way back, like I was trying like the mainstream,
Hmm.
um, and yeah, like I said, it wasn't really working for me. It was like one thing led to an next. You know, you cover up one issue, another issue comes up. Um, so then I actually started learning more about your guys' work,
Right.
and I was testing it out. But then I said, I think it was around December, I was dealing with something, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go to you guys and try and get some one-on-one help, and I think
Right.
that helped a lot.
Right. Good. Good. And what was the specific issue in your ankle at the time?
I was getting pain when I was shooting in my ankle.
Hmm.
Um, it was like kind of like a sharp pain when I would shoot.
Right.
But quickly as I learned to like apply the tension that we do in our sessions into shooting,
Right.
the pain was able to go away.
And how long into the program did you see results within your ankle and overall within your body with the glutes response?
Mm, the glutes response pretty fast. I'd say week 4, week 5 was when it started to really like there were different milestones as you guys said, but
Hmm.
um, I started to see like proper results. I think pretty fast week 5.
Right. And what was the main difference between the program that you're doing right now than the ones you've done in the past?
Um, I think the one-on-one coaching is definitely a big thing. Like you know, you're helping me like when we do our sessions make adjustments and stuff, and then I try and remember those
Right.
cues when I go and do the homework.
Absolutely. And
Hmm.
is this something you would recommend to a friend?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, like, if anybody's dealing with something, I know, and you know, I kind of feel bad if they're going down the path that I went down, and
Right.
it doesn't necessarily lead to much. I would definitely say, hey, check these guys out. They know what they're doing.
Definitely. I mean, your
Hmm.
body had extremely great response within the first couple weeks. So we already knew the potential was really high with you. So,
Yeah,
um,
yeah. Thank
I
you.
mean, when if you continue to do what you're doing, and you supplement this work within your football work, I don't see why not you can play at the next level. You know,
Yeah, yeah, I mean, that's the goal. You know,
absolutely,
anything to.
100%. And one more question. With the difference between this program and the other programs, how fast are you recovering between sessions?
Like between these sessions or between like training sessions.
As of right now, how fast are you recovering after each train session?
Um, I like I can't really put a number on it, but you know, like pretty fast. Like I can withstand like in these sessions, the soreness, whatever, the soreness recovers pretty fast. I do some of those stretches, but then in terms of like soccer sessions, you know, like it's normal, especially with the position I play. You got hit, you get adhesions sometimes, and
Right.
they're going away faster than ever. Like you can play through, you know without much pain or discomfort. It's kind of just like you're always on the go. There's nothing really much, nothing crazy holding you back. You know what I mean?
100%. No, I get it. I
Hmm.
went through this. So I totally relate to what you're feeling right now. Um, but like I said, we have a lot more work to accomplish in the future. And like I said, you're one of our top guys that we are looking at right now to really make an impact in the football world.
What after you tried in Spain, right? So what are their feedbacks?
In Spain. So I was training with a couple teams, and it went really well. Like I can go back next year. There was just some visa issues, so I can go back next year and sign. I can go back next year in preseason with a couple teams. It depends on the levels, but they were overall happy with my level, and I think it was improving as the weeks of training there went on and the weeks of training with you guys. I think their feedback was improving.
Hmm. In Spain, there's no weightlifting, right?
Very little. Like there was no team sessions where we did weightlifting. No, like pretty much nothing.
We actually evaluate not only just work with athlete, we can evaluate them too, and you have very high potential
Yeah,
from what I've seen, and definitely we want to keep in touch because it's very likely you're just going to be a pro.
Mhm.
yeah, that's the goal, man.
Yeah, I mean, if you keep your mindset the right way and you train the right way, and that is the path. Because if you just focus on your game and your skill set, that is the path. I
Yeah,
don't see how that could go any other way unless something else happened that we're we're not aware of.
Yeah.
It's starting like it's hopefully a matter of time, with now that I'm doing the right things and not like, chasing down a path that leads to nowhere. I can finally, I can train more and I can improve with the fascia stuff, but the fascia stuff also helps me like improve by being able to play more. I mean, it's that simple. I can play more because of what I'm doing now. So
And after you play, where do you feel sore the most?
usually the glutes and the abs.
Those abs now. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. That's where it's supposed to be, because a lot of people, they don't understand. They're like, my quads and joints are sore.
Yeah. That's how it was at one point for me. At one point, and then I knew something had to change.